Summer Super Dance Craze. Paano nga, Eric? Yes, guys, please watch out for the press launch of Super Dance at Evisa, Tuesday at 7:30. Yes.
Wow. We wanna, you know, I have to speak as a proud father, okay? Because halos lahat ng mga arrangements for Super Dance is done by a very special person in my life. My son, Gabriel Valenciano. Yan. Thank you. And I want to greet Mons Romulo Tantoco. A very happy birthday. Happy birthday. And on May 1, there's a very special concert para sa lahat ng mga kabataan. Okay? May 1, it's called Youth for Hope, a concert at the Luneta Grandstand.
Yes, ako din. May shows din ako. It's called Bravo 2, Song for Every Filipino. April 29, Greenbelt 5. April 30, nasa Market ako. May 1, Glorieta. May 2, Alabang Town Center. And sa May 7, nasa Boardwalk, Subic ako. And May 15, sa Phnom Penh, Cambodia. So, sana magkita-kita tayo doon.
Yes,
alright. From Super Dancing, tuloy-tuloy tayo sa Super Jamming.
Yes, at bago yung jamming na yan, ay promote ko na rin po Record Breaker US Tour. Magkasama tayo.
Yes!
Malapit na po this coming May.
Oh, well, tungkol sa mga tours, As One is going to have a Philippine tour. That's Bacolod, Cebu, Davao, and many, many other places. Plus, oh yes, there's also going to be a repeat. We mentioned it kanina. On July 16, As One at the Araneta Coliseum. Tapos sa September, a special show, a series of shows at the Music Museum. Malapit na. I will tell you more about it.
Thank you, Fresh Look. Uning kaiha. Thank you.
Hi to Gabby de Guzman and happy birthday to Enzo. Enzo Anitlan, happy birthday.
Yun, also, I'd like to greet my assistant, Flor. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
All right.
We want to know, how are you all feeling, ha? Okay ba?
Ayan, yan ang dapat, di ba?
Sarap talaga when we're in ASAP XV because people...
Ibang-iba.
Ibang-iba
din.
din.
Oo.
Kaya yung ginawa mo kanina, talagang
Ibang-iba
yan ang
yun.
effect eh.
Yun ang talagang ano, yun ang...
Paano? 2, 3, hit it!
Yeah. Yan ang dapat.
Notice na wala sa timing, pero okay lang yun. Okay? On full circle, the Morning Glory Band. Please welcome...
Yeah!
Yeng Constantino!